So today I'm going to be covering over the JA cases, which look like this. So it's a it's a adjacent opposite 3 cycle plus an op adjacent corner cycle, and there's 8 of these cases, but I'm going to be doing it on one Megaminx because it's easier to cycle through all the cases, because my algorithms are just the case, and for the other one it's the inverse. So let's start with we could have started with the first one I know, and that's this case here. Okay, so all of these cases will have the 2x2 block and one corner solved, depending if it's right or left. Here. So I'm going to cover the even cases first, and the even cases are, well, it's a certain RPM, actually. It's the RPM where you go, yeah, and it's just that alg translated to the Megaminx. So over here, this is the algorithm I just showed. So hold on. Sorry, my battery is about to die, but I'm going to continue doing this. Okay, so that was the RPM, and I'll do it again. Alright, and this is the inverse. So the inverse is given by this bar here, and so it was that bar there and this bar now. So it's the inverse. So yeah, and now we do the back cases. So this is a lefty version, but I just do it from the back. So here it's the same case, except I use my pinky to do that move, and then oops, is it? Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it's my pinky doing that move, and then yeah. So I'll show you it again. Pinky. Oh my god. I can't do it slow, sorry. Yeah. And this is the inverse, so we'll just cover it. Oops. Yeah, I can't do it slow for some reason. And then, instead of doing the pinky for the back move, I just use my index finger. Algorithms will be somewhere, either on the screen or, yeah. Yep, so. When I do that rotation, it throws me off so hard. Yeah. Yep, okay. So that was the first one, which is just the RPMs. And the next 4 cases are, I don't really know a good alg, but I'll just stick to the 2 gen 1. This is the odd cases. So the odd cases immediately refer to the clock, if the edges go clockwise, the corners go anti-clockwise, and vice versa. So over here, it's the bar, it's trapped. So the bar will either be here or here, unlike the bar being there or there. Okay, so when you have this case here, it's yeah. So again, actually I don't think I'm going to be able to put algorithm in this video when I first upload it, but later I'll put it in the description. I'm not sure, so sorry about that. It's just been pretty hectic lately. Yeah, and the other case here, yeah, so again, it would be, yeah. And then the back case. This is just a, yeah, this video is just gonna be quick. If I don't like the quality, I'll probably just take it down and redo it again. But yeah, so the back, from the back, oops, yeah. So this case here, it would be, since, okay, if it's trapped here, if it's trapped within the 2x1 space, with the corner of the 2x2 block, then you start off with that move, and then it's a trigger there, and then you match up the greens, and then over here, I don't know how you explain that, but yeah, just fix it. So again, it's, and then that's the trigger. Oh, that's a trigger. Yeah. And last but not least, this case here. And if it starts off with that, you do this. Do this weird setup, and then yeah, that's it for. That's it really. Sorry I can't do what I'm supposed to be doing, but yeah. Well, sorry for the lack of quality in this video. That's why I'm trying to keep it shortish. Yeah, so those are the 8 Jefferson airplane cases. See ya.